Assalamu alaikum dear brothers. We know that Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir is the greatest and most well organized organization of South Asia. Uh, Today I'll discuss about how I got into Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir. So let's start. Before starting my story, uh, first of all I'd like to say that now I'm studying in Rush University, Department of Social Work. Uh, Actually, uh, my educational background is madrasa. I have passed Dakhil and Alim examination from madrasa. I first studied in primary school. My primary school's name was Verishonoi Government Primary School. Then I admitted in class 6 in Kollapara Fazil Madrasa. My madrasa's name is Kollapara Fazil Madrasa, and my madrasa was very old. My madrasa was established in 1910, Kuril Mazin. So my madrasa is traditional madrasa. So let's start. When I studied in class 6, actually when I studied in class 7, I received invitation of Bangladesh Chhatra Shibir at first. Actually, in the time I rejected of the invitation of Bangladesh Chhatra Shibir. Then class 8, class 9, again my classmates, some classmates were worker and supporter or associate. They invited to Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir. Then I accepted their invitation and I filled up their form, and then I became supporter of Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir. Then gradually I became a worker, and after my SSC, that means Dakhil examination, I became associate, that means Shathi of Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir, and that was in 2019 after my Dakhil examination. And in my Alim first year and Alim second year time, I worked as associate of Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir in my area, in my local area. In the time, my elder brothers pressured or forced me to be or to become a member of Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir. Then I didn't pay more attention, didn't to be a member of Bangladesh Chhatra Shibir. I paid more attention to studies. Then after Alim examination, I got GPA 5. Then I took participation in admission test, Dhaka University, Russian University. I took mainly 2 universities. Then I got chance in Russian University, and after that I came in Russian University and started to staying in ideal home of our organization. And many brothers nurtured me to be a member in the time. And after that, finally in December 2004, 2024, in 11 December, I took final oath of Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir. Then after becoming a member of Bangladesh Islamic Chhatra Shibir, I was given responsibility or duty of secretary of social science faculty. Currently, I was serving the responsibility of I serving as president of social science faculty of Rajshahi University, France.